Guys, welcome back to another uncomprehensive guide from Battle of Warships. Today we're going to be talking about and discussing the oh Jesus. Okay, pardon me. Oh my god. The Z20 Karl Gaster. Now this slim ship. Now this destroyer has a it's above average in many things. Has high agility. It is irrationally fast, and it has a very good torpedo armament. Now, something that you need to know about torpedoes is you want to do if you is you want to have like wide. You don't ever want to go narrow unless you're like on the difference where like you could like the difference of speed between you and your enemy is like really good, like really high. You're going to want to use narrow torpedoes while you're going by. However, oh, they're actually doing the tactic right now. Now, this game probably has a couple people who are in a Skype call together or Discord or whatever. And that is actually kind of a big problem with this game. Is these little like circle jerks of people who probably don't have many friends going together and doing stuff like that. Because, having fun in a game typically isn't something that people like. So, they get to something like that. That reload there was to show how fast it is, but here's like an actual salvo. Yeah, this is a pretty fast fighting thing. It's also a really fast ship. In fact, it can outrun torpedoes. If I put on a speed boost, I can like outrun torpedoes. Like no joke. Although our shell dispersion is pretty horrible because, well, I am firing from single turret. However, it is what it is. Now this thing has a really tight turn radius, and the turrets can turn very fast. Although it feels slow, it's actually not slow because if you can see the turrets at the rear right now turning, you can see that they turn pretty fast. This is a hard ship to hit, and it packs a punch, and it's hard to hit. Now, playing this thing, you gotta get into the mind of a Frenchman, okay? Because you don't want to fight up front. Well, you want to do what I'm doing right now. You want to stick to cover. We use islands and natural stuff like that as cover. Now what I'm doing right now is kind of guaranteeing suicide. However, caring is not something I'm doing about that right now. Now right here you can see this is how well it can turn. Now this right here is how this thing can... You can play it worse, but that's how you typically play it. You just want to spam your guns. Oh, this glitch is happening right now. Oh no, it isn't. It used to be that if you accidentally rammed something, you'd get stuck I don't know if that was meant to be realistic or if it was a game flaw. It could have been both because this is a mobile game. However, this thing can accelerate extremely fast. I'm going to show that to you right now, actually. Now, torpedoes aren't actually much of a threat. I'm going to try to hit the torpedoes. Nah. Just kidding. Now, I currently don't have a speed boost active, so I'm going to show you how this thing handles normally. This is a very much above average destroyer. Now, this is chasing a battleship is definitely not how you want to play. But there's nothing wrong with chasing a battleship in this thing. Because your main armament is like really good. So you can actually do it pretty well. Now, I'm not going to fire upon this Rodney that I'm approaching. In fact, I'm actually kind of gonna try to distract them right now. Distraction is what this thing can do pretty well. Now, my torpedoes are probably gonna miss, but they're gonna give them enough of a scare probably to try kind of probably slow them down. Oh no. Okay, so this guy is... Okay, that's why. This is a carrier player, so that's why he's so positive. Now, if you look at the way that the torpedoes hit, that's how they're supposed to be used in this game. They're supposed to be up close. Not too far, not too close either. This is definitely a close range ship. So yeah, there's my uncomprehensive guide and a bit of mixed rambling in there of the Z20 Karl Gaster. My favorite German ship in this game, aside from the Bismarck. So yeah. Hope that y'all come back for another one of these things. Peace.